Hi everyone! Now is winter season. Outside is very cold. Are you thinking to cook something that keeps you warm? I think so. That's why today I am cooking a very typical dish from Nepal called Gundruk Bhatmas. Gundruk is fermented leafy mustards and Bhatmas is soya beans. Actually, when I went to visit my parents last time, I bought Gundruk. And it's really precious for me because it was made by my mom. I can see a lots of love in it. Please watch it until the end. It's gonna be fun. You will learn some tricks and how to cook mouth-watering delicious dish. Let's get started. Here we have all our ingredients. The main ingredients gonna be Gundruk. Gundruk is fermented leafy mustard. You can see. I brought it from Nepal, but you can buy in Chinese grocery store or Indian grocery store. I have here 25 gram, 50 grams soya beans, 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 small size of tomato. I have this amount of garlic here. You can use 4 cloves, big one, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a few pinches of chili powder. You can use to your taste. 2 halves green and red fresh chili. You shouldn't skip this because it has such a fragrant and aromatic flavor. 2 dry chilies I'm using for flavor too. And I'm using French garlic. In Nepal we normally use spring garlic, but I didn't get here, so I'm using this. This is the soft part, you can see. And I have here 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I'm using normal sea salt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, vegetable oil, and water to make the gravy soup. I'm going to use half liter. Let's wash the Gundruk very well and chop it to make it small. Wash it until water becomes clear like this, see? Soya bean as well, let's wash it. Now let's chop the rest of the ingredients. First chili, just slices diagonal. Green one as well. French garlic. Garlic, just mince it randomly. Now the tomato, I'm just going to slice it. We finished chopping, now let's go to cook. I have a karai here, heating in medium flame. Now let it heat. My karai is hot now. I'm going to add the oil. Let it heat 30 seconds. As soon as the oil gets hot, add chili. We just fry it to infuse the oil with chili. Took around 20 seconds. The chili already changed the color. I am going to take them out. I'm going to add soya bean. And let it fry around 1 minute until it changes color. Keep mixing it like this not to burn just one side. Color is already changed, see? And it breaks in a middle. Then you will know it's cooked. Now I'm going to add minced garlic. Mix it a little bit. And all those chilies and French garlic. Fry it here like this. It really doesn't take time, so you just stir it like this around 30 seconds, okay? looks really beautiful. Let's wait to mix it again very well. Now friends, garlic slightly start to change the color, see? So now I'm going to add turmeric powder and chili powder. Chili powder is completely optional. If you like, you can add. If not, skip it. Mix it again very well, just for a few seconds. Mix it. After a few seconds, we add tomato that we just chopped. Mix it again very well. Just cook around 1 minute tomato. So now we are going to add the flour. If we add flour like this, the dish becomes more richer. So now let's mix it very well, around 20 seconds too. After 20 seconds, we add Gundruk, that fermented leafy mustard. Then mix it very well. Looking good. Now add the salt. Mix again the salt very well. When you do this, flour can stick on the pan, so you just have to mix the Gundruk and then put it the water. I'm adding 500 ml water, half liter. Now mix it very well and let it boil. If you like more soup, then add a bit more. Now start to boil. Mix again like this and then let it boil around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's see. Look at this. It became so good, thick and creamy. See, because of the flour. Looks so good. I can't wait to taste. Now turn the gas off. Then we are done. I'm going to put in the bowl to take photos and eat. I'm going to garnish with this chili that we just fried. Let me taste with my rice. Wow. And for me, just rice is enough. So good. And the chili. So creamy, smoky, sour, rich and delicious. Such a complete meal. Just rice is enough. So delicious. You must try it. For more delicious recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Let me finish eating. Bye bye.